Hello, for Uber?
Hi, yeah.
Hi, how are you?
So I'm good, but I kind of have an awkward situation happening right now.
Oh, what's going on?
So basically on the app, my card's declining, and I was just wondering if you happen to take like Apple Pay, Cash Apps,
No,
anything else by chance?
It has to go through the app. Like, I can't take
Not even like cash or anything?
No, like, I can't take cash because it's an insurance thing. Like, it's not, I won't be covered.
I mean, I totally understand, but like, I really need to get home. Is there anything I can do? Like, anything? I will like literally clean your car. I will go do grocery shopping for you, like anything.
Well, there is one thing you could do to pay for the Uber.
Like what? Like vacuum your seats and stuff?
No, I just got my car cleaned actually.
Oh.
But there's another thing you could do.
Like walk your dogs? Do you have any dogs?
I do actually, but I got that taken care of. Okay, they kind of have anxiety with new people, so wouldn't really work. But there is there is one thing you could do.
No, tell me. I'll literally do anything.
Like, you'll do anything?
Yeah. Just tell me. I just want to be able to get home.
Like, you'll literally do anything?
I will literally do anything. Please.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Like, there's nothing off limits?
Literally nothing off limits.
Okay, because I don't want to get, like, in trouble for offering something. Okay,
no,
so...
of course not.
Okay, it's like one of those things where, like, if I tell you can't get mad at me, right?
No, of course not. I will literally do anything. I just want to get a ride home.
You'll do anything to pay for the Uber?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, let's just say there's one thing I need. There's one need that I need to get met.
What is it?
Well, this huge pimple on my back that needs to get popped.
Oh my
If you wouldn't mind, I could.
Stop the car. Stop the car. Stop
I
the
can't
car.
reach it. What?
Stop the car.
What? I can't hear you. What?
Stop the car. That is literally so disgusting.
Are you serious?
That is so out of pocket. Why would you even ask me to do that? That is...
You literally said you were down for anything.
That is so gross, dude. That is so gross.
You said you were down for... You were literally going to wash my car, but you don't...
Anything else, dude. That's so gross. I'm not touching a pimple on your back.
Oh, I can't reach it.
Oh my God.
Are you serious?
I'm literally gonna... I'm gagging. I'm gonna throw up.
Don't throw up in here. It's a cleaning fee.
Please let me out.
Okay, fine.
I can't be in the same car.
Okay, well, don't report me because you literally...
I'm gonna report you.
You said you want to get mad if I...
That was so out of pocket. I'm reporting you.
You said you want to get mad if I told you. Are you serious?
Well, that was really bad. I'm sorry.
Oh my
Bye.
gosh.